You are on a YouTube video, 3000 comments, and you need to find one specific person. You scroll, you expand, you lose your mind. Here's the thing. YouTube has no built-in feature that can search comment by username. None. So most people just suffer through it. There is a better one, and it takes about 10 seconds. It's called VidIQ. You have probably seen it for SEO stuff, but there is a feature inside it that almost nobody talks about. Install the extension, link in the description. Once it's active, open any YouTube video and scroll down to the comment section. You will see new button appear, all comment thread, choose filter. Click that. Inside the filter panel, you get option most people walk right past. Search by phrase, filter by question comments, minimum subscriber count. But the one you want is right here. Comment made by. Type the username, hit apply. And instead of scrolling through thousands of comments hoping to stumble across them, VidIQ pulls that user comment instantly, clean, isolated, and done. This works on any video, any site, and it's completely free. Grab the link below, test it on a video right now, and let me know in the comment if you found who you were looking for.